Welcome to Impetus Workload Transformation, registering and getting started with Impetus Workload Assessment. Enter your basic details to sign up. On the left side, you can go through the possibilities with this tool. Let's get the free trial now. You will receive a welcome email which will have the tool URL along with access credentials. We have successfully logged in. Quick help appears. Let's explore. Simply upload source code base, execute assessment and get report with insights and recommendations. You can also have a look at the Getting Started tours. It helps to quickly explore the know-hows of the tool. This is automatically triggered for first-time users. Refer to right side help panel that provides a brief step-by-step assessment creation process. Quick help options. Video tutorials. Some supportive sorting and filtering options. In the next video, we'll see how to quickly create your assessment and get powerful insights. Thanks for watching.